Good day, viewers. I remain your economics teacher, Mr. Oladele. Today, we'll be talking about a sensitive topic, cost concepts. When you talk about cost concepts, it means it talks about production process. When you talk about production, that means it is the creation of utilities. Which means when you talk about production, there are some costs that you must incur as a firm. Now, starting with total cost, we have average total cost, variable cost, fixed cost, and then lastly, marginal cost. If you look at this cost now, when you embark on the production, definitely as a firm or as a producer, you must be able to know the total amount you have spent and the amount you have realized at the end of the production so that you can be able to get your profits. Without this, the person will run at loss. So now, looking at this now, we have formula for each cost now. Like total cost now, we have formula that talks about total cost, average cost, variable, fixed, and marginal. They have relationship. Now, the combination of variable and fixed cost makes the total cost. And when you talk about average cost is total cost divided by the quantity of units produced. Which means if you want to know the marginal cost, that means change in total cost over change in quantity produced subsequently. So with this, that's why I brought out this table to have a clear understanding of what we are saying. Now you look at the table, we have some content there, you have the units, the variable cost, the fixed cost, total cost, and the marginal cost there. It's already the average cost that is not there, but there are better ways of doing it without using average cost. Now if you look at it now, the under unit 1, we have variable cost to be 5 and fixed cost to be 5 as well, and our total cost is 10. Like I said earlier, we have variable cost which is VC plus FC is equal to TC. So which means 5 plus 5 makes our 10. The second one, 20 plus 5 makes our 25. And here, we want to know the total cost here. So how do we know that? Which is 41 plus 5 is 46. Now, if you look at the marginal cost, like I said here, that marginal cost talk about change in TC over change in Q, which means TC2 minus TC1 over Q2 minus Q1. If you look at this clearly, now let's use this. Before this production, there is no prior production, which means nothing will be here. But if you look at this now, this is the second production, this is the first production. 25 minus 10 will be what? 15. So which means our marginal cost here will be 15. Now here we have solved the issue of total cost there. So which means 41 plus 5, that's 46 here. So we have our total cost there to be 46. And you want to confirm whether we are right with what we are doing. Look at this marginal cost 21 here. How can we know whether it is 21 or not? 21 plus 25, that's 46. And what do you get here? 46. 46 minus 25, what do you get? 21. So which means change in total cost over change in quantity will give you your marginal cost. And when you are producing, as a producer, you must know that am I producing at a reasonable level? How do we know that? Your marginal cost will tell you whether you are producing at a reasonable level, because by the time you are producing and the cost of you are incurring in your production is it increasing at an increasing rate, or it is increasing at a constant rate, or increasing at a decreasing rate? Can you see three things? Increasing at an increasing rate, increasing at a constant rate, increasing at a decreasing rate. You must know through this marginal cost. Alright, thank you.